I'm sure you both can find your way on.
What? That's it? What about Johnny's lifetime supply of chocolate?
Yes, a lifetime supply of chocolate. Each child will receive their lifetime supply of chocolate. Other than that, the day has been a total waste of time and chocolate. Good day, Johnny Bucket, and goodbye. Bye, Mr. Wonka.
Mr. Wonka, wait. I don't deserve a lifetime supply of chocolate. You see, I tasted the fizzy lippy and broke the rules. And I'm very sorry for that. But thank you for the wonderful day that it was.
Bless you, Johnny. You did it. You did it.
Now, see here, Wonka. It was my idea
I
to
came
try
to this contest with one purpose in mind. To find the perfect person to make new candy dreams come true.
I don't understand.
This was a test of character, Charlie. And you did something quite remarkable. You gave in to temptation. You were smart enough not to get caught, and yet you admitted to your guilt.
But the other kids,
They'll be fine. They'll each receive the booby prize, a lifetime supply of chocolate.
If that's the booby prize, then what's the real prize?
Charlie, do you love my factory?
it's the most wonderful place in the whole world.
I'm pleased to hear that because from this day onwards, it's yours.
What do you mean?
I'm giving you my factory, Charlie. I need an heir, and that person is you.